What's going on, guys? So I'm giving away some money in the Discord in Bitcoin, and I had a couple of students that won back to back a few times. So I had one of the students reach out and tell me, hey man, are you picking your favorites every time? And so I wanted to show you the process of how I'm going through it. And if you haven't joined the Discord yet, I'm not going to get into that whole spew, but definitely check that out in the pinned comment section. It's amazing. Okay, so Friday I told everyone, I said I'm going to give two people, here I'll show you here we go. I told everyone I'm gonna give two people $100 in Bitcoin each on Monday. Drop your wallet addresses and I'm gonna pick a random winner with the randomizer. You must have your address listed to be entered. So we got a couple of people that entered their address there. So what I did was I went and I took every single one of the people in the order that they dropped their address. See, Rocky Mountain, X1 Zone, Heclo, Peter. Anyway, so we've got all those right there. I just threw them in a Google Docs folder so I could see them. And then I go here to pick a random number, 1 to 8, and we're going to go generate. So that means number 5, our winner is going to be Peter XXL. So I'm about to send that Bitcoin over to Peter. And then I will just go ahead and delete Peter because he won already. And I will go to 1 to 7. And I will generate again. And we've got 4 this time. So number 4 is going to be Heclo and Peter XXL. You are the winners of $100 in Bitcoin. And that's how kind of I do everything when I'm doing those random wins. So just so you know, that's how we do it. And if you'd like to join the Discord, sign up in the pinned comment section. We'd love to have you over there. We cover a lot of information there, processes, you name it, we do it. So see you in the next video. Peace.